Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul, I am a teacher. In this video, I am going to give you information regarding Common University Entrance Test CUET PG 2024. And in this video, I will give you information regarding Hospital Management, CO code is COQP 22, Entrance Exam Syllabus of Common University Entrance Test CUET PG 2024. So this is syllabus for hospital management, that is Master of Hospital Administration, code is COQP 22. So in this video I will give you information regarding this. And for Common University Entrance Test CUET PG 2024 registration has started, and last date, first I am giving important dates for Common University Entrance Test CUET PG 2024. Registration has already started for CUET PG 2024, and last date for registration is 24th of January 2024 is the last date for registration. So in this video I will give you information regarding hospital management COQP 22 entrance exam syllabus, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for Common University Entrance Test CUET PG 2024 various entrance exams like Master of Public Health, Hospital Administration, Yoga, B.Ed, MBA, Mass Communication, and for other courses. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. So in this video, information regarding hospital management COQP 22 will be given. And this is the website for Common University Entrance Test CUET PG 2024. Website address is pgcot.summat.ac.in. Last year website was different, so this year there is a new website for CUET PG 2024 registration. Website is pgcot.summat.ac.in. So this is important dates from 26th of December 2023. CUET PG 2024 registration has started. Last date is 24th of January 2024. Last date for submission of application form up to 11:50 p.m. 25 January 2024. Last date for online fee submission of application form up to 11:50 p.m. 29th of January 2024. Last date for correction in application form up to 11:50 p.m. Now I am giving you information regarding hospital management COQP 22 syllabus for hospital management COQP 22 entrance exam syllabus. Hospital management code is COQP 22. Note first, the question paper will have 75 questions. So this year there will be 75 questions, and all the questions will be of subject specific knowledge. All questions will be based on subject specific knowledge. So there will be no part A. Last year there was part A and part B, but this year there will be only 75 questions which will be based on subject specific knowledge. All questions are compulsory. The questions will be bilingual, English or Hindi. So question paper will be in both languages, English and Hindi. And there will be no part A, only subject specific knowledge questions will come. Hospital management COQP 22. So first topic is health and disease concepts. In health and disease concepts, various dimensions and determinants of health, measures and indicators of health and related issues, natural history of disease and sciences, primary health care services, hospital and its role in health and diseases. Second topic is environment and health. Environment and health. In environment and health, effect of various factors like water, air, light, ventilation, noise, meteorological environment, humidity, housing, disposal of waste, excreta disposal on earth, health and well-being, basic concepts of biomedical / medical etymology and insecticides, rodents and related disease, radiation and zoonosis on public health and health administration. So first is the health and disease concept, second is environment and health, third is medicine and social science. In medicine and social science, topics will be understanding the concepts in sociology of health, psychology and health, social psychology, family in health and disease, in understanding health, cultural factors in health and disease, hospital sociology, social problems and health, basic health economics, social security and health of population. Fourth topic is hospital waste management. In hospital waste management, basic understanding of sources of healthcare waste, healthcare hazards, method of treatment and biomedical waste management for healthcare administration. Fifth topic is basic epidemiology and population health. Basic epidemiology and population health. Basic epidemiology and population health topics will be understanding population health and epidemiology, rates, ratios and measurement of morbidity and mortality of health and related parameters, basic statistics of association and causation in biological sciences, concepts of disease transmission, immunity and immunizing agent, basic understanding of disease prevention and control in India. Next, sixth topic is basic understanding of biological sciences and life sciences. Basic understanding of biological sciences and life sciences. In this topics will be recent development in cell biology, genetics, pharmaceutical sciences, healthcare information technology, nutrition sciences, diagnostics, biotechnology, vaccine development and sanitation. Seventh is general awareness on healthcare. Seventh topic is general awareness on healthcare. In general awareness on healthcare, topics will be current happenings of healthcare and life sciences sector, population health, epidemiology, basic public health and programs of India, basic physiology and anatomy of human body, society and health, understanding hospital management, understanding of World Health Organization and other bodies of international health, basic issues and challenges of healthcare business verticals such as pharmaceuticals, healthcare information technology, healthcare entrepreneurship and hospital management, understanding of national health programs. 8 is introduction to hospitals. In introduction to hospital, topic will be types of hospitals, health system in India, sub-center, PSC, CSC, first referral units, district hospitals, corporate hospital and charitable trust hospitals. 9th is departments in hospitals. In departments in hospital, topic will be clinical department in hospital, basic specialization, general medicine, surgery, ODG, pediatrics, anesthesia, super specialization and sub socializations in hospitals, cardiology, urology, neurology, etc. 10th is supportive services in hospitals. Supportive services in hospitals, topic will be CSSD, pharmacy, linen and laundry, food and beverages, dietary services in hospitals. Next is engineering services. In engineering services, topics will be heating, ventilation and air conditioning, civil, electrical, water supply. Next is hospital management fundamentals. In hospital management fundamentals, topics will be process of management, principles of management, accounting and costing in hospitals. Next is materials and equipment in hospitals. Materials and equipment in hospitals. In materials and equipment in hospital, topics will be classification of equipment, diagnostic and therapeutic equipment, X-ray, CT, MRI, PET, CT, cath lab, dialysis, OT equipments, purchasing and store. Next is infection control and biomedical waste management. In infection control and biomedical waste management, topics will be nosocomial infections and their prevention, biomedical waste rules and regulations. Next is legal aspects, laws pertaining to hospital and health care. Legal aspects, laws pertaining to hospital and healthcare. Topics will be Consumer Protection Act, PCP and DT Act, Human Organ Transplantational committees in the hospitals, ICC committee, Infection Control Committee, ethical issues in hospitals. Next is management concepts in hospitals. In management concepts in hospitals, topics will be human resource management, doctors, nurses, paramedics, recruitment, selection, training, motivation, finance management, budgetize, marketing of hospital services. Next is disaster preparedness and hospital management. Disaster preparedness and hospital management topics will be types of disasters management team, various codes used during disasters. So this is the syllabus for Common University Entrance Test CUT PG for hospital management. Code it COQP 22. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital management, yoga, B.Ed, mass communication, MBA and other competitive exams for various university and institutes like CUT PG, JIPMER, NIMHANS, IIPS, Pune University, Lucknow University, Rajiv Gandhi Health University and for other university and institutes. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Thanks for watching this video.